Temp, 200 flat mid crest long, 60 down, fast 3 left in, continues. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 200, flat mid crest long, 60 down, fast 3 left in, continues. And 2 right opens over flat crest, 100, flat 2 right, 200, 2 left, into mid over small crest and down, fast 3 left, 150, goes to a 3, 150, yep. Slippy 3 left long and 2 right over small crest, into slowing, 2 left and down, 6 right long in, maybe, 2 left slowing and down, 6 right long in, maybe, into 2 right, and slippy 5 left continues, and flat 2 left, tightens, into 3 left long, into flat mid over crest 200, flat 2 right, 170, 2 right long, slowing, and down 6 right opens continues 100, okay. 200, enter chicane, right left through junction. Okay. Enter chicane, right left through junction. Going up to the left. Come on. 80, flat 2 right long, 300 up mid. Turn 3 right through junction into flat mid over small crest. Repeat, turn 3 right through junction to flat mid over small crest, 150. 1 left, 150. Caution, 3 left, continues for 130. Tightens to 7 left. After quarry, slippy. So there's your 7 in there. And flat 3 left. Long over crest, 60, flat 2 left, 350 down. Go on, flat 2 left, 350 down, go. Mid over small crest, 60 down, slippy, 3 left long, slowing, 40 past junction, open hairpin right long. Go on, go on. It's past that junction before Anderson, do you know the one?
Yeah.
60. 6 right, tightens over crest, Anderson, bad camber, you know the one, you know the one. Medium 5 left in, 80, chicane, enter left, square right, then left. Exiting right this time. 60, slippy continues, 2 right, 40, tight 6 left in, maybe, 40. 4 right long, narrows, don't cut, 200 up mid, and watch now, slowing, 3 right, through gates into turn, very tight, hairpin left, sudden gate on exit. She'll go at that. Into 130, tight ahead, caution, 4 left, into turn, very tight, hairpin right, bail inside. Turn very tight hairpin left, go on, it's round there. Into 4 right, okay. 60, slippy continues, flat 2 left long. And tidy 2 right over flat crest, 150 down mid. Slowing 2 left into 7 left, don't cut. 4 right opens, don't cut. 150, up mid. 7 left. 4 right, 100, flat 2 left over crest, mid over 200, 3 left long, nips, tidy exit, 200 up mid, 2, 3 even, 3 long, nips, tidy exit, 200 up mid, tidy 3 right, 100, easy 3 left, 3 right, slowing, continues into caution, 7 left tight, and 6 left, and 3 left, opens maybe, and easy 5 right long, long into hairpin left, 60. Flat 2 left, 100. Flat 2 left over small crest, 150. 2 right continues for 250. Okay, 80. 2 right continues for 150 again. Tightens into caution, tidy 3 right, continues for 150, tightens into turn, sudden hairpin right. You'll see the arrows, Three, here's your 3, continues for 150, there's your, go. It's going to go in there now. That arrow is going to go there. Send her in. Rev it now, 200 up, go on, rev it son. Turn hairpin left over bump. And 5 right opens into slippy, 2 right, continues for 150, flat, 230. Crest into medium, 3 left, 300 through dip. Yep. 3 left continues for 150. Tightens into 4 left, slippy, continues for 100, into medium, 5 right, in. Keeps on going for 100, into 5 right, in. Tight 7 left, continues, into 40, 3 left and turn tight hairpin right. You're coming up to the bad one now. 200, watch now. Tight 7 right, nips, with a ditch on the outside. You know the one. 40. Yep. 3 right, 40. 4 left, continues into 100. Yep. 4 right, tightens over crest. Mid over 130. 6 left, 40. Flat 2 right, 40. 4 left in. 40 over flat finish. Go on. 1 right over crest into slippy 2 left. Good man. Chicane was, hairpin was